Let's talk about Memo Genesis. You've seen the ads and it sounds promising, but what exactly is it all about? Does it really work, or is it just another supplement designed to drain your wallet faster than your memory? Let's find out. Before we dive in, I want to be clear. This video is based on publicly available information and research. I did not personally purchase this product, and this is not sponsored content. Memo Genesis markets itself as a miracle brain supplement, memory sharpeners, focus boosters, cognitive clarity pills. The ads scream, reverse memory loss, restore clarity, boost your brain power naturally. Sounds amazing, especially if you've ever lost your keys, blanked on someone's name, or worried about memory decline. But here's the brutal reality. There's no solid science behind it. The wildest health-channeled ads, fake doctor endorsements, and emotional fear-baiting are classic signs. This isn't a breakthrough pill, more like a marketing scheme wrapped in psychology. Now, what do I really know? For a fact, there are no credible clinical studies showing Memo Genesis truly improves memory, reverses cognitive decline, or restores neural pathways. The scientific-sounding marketing, exotic ingredient names, claims of secret formulas, ancient honey recipes, miracle cures, have no published evidence behind them. Also, investigators and watchdog reviewers call Memo Genesis a scam supplement. They highlight fake testimonials, fabricated endorsements, and aggressive selling tactics built on fear and urgency. Legitimate memory or brain health improvements come from long-term healthy lifestyle habits, diet, sleep, exercise, mental stimulation, not magical pills. So, should you buy it? Short answer, almost definitely not. If you're expecting a memory miracle, you'll end up disappointed and probably out of money. Memo Genesis plays on fear, especially fear of aging and memory decline, to sell false hope. Until real, independent scientific research proves otherwise, there's no reason to trust the hype. If you genuinely care about improving your cognitive health, focus on what actually works: proper sleep, balanced diet, regular exercise, social interaction, mentally challenging activities. Supplements like this are not magic. At best, you'll get nothing. At worst, you'll get a recurring charge you can't escape. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe, because your brain and your wallet deserve honesty, not hype.